Welcome back, travellers, to another episode in this series of videos taken during our 2-week holiday in November, where we'd flown from the UK into Malaga and then spent the first 10 days in Estepona, exploring the places around our base. In this episode, we're moving on to our second location of Olvera, stopping along the way in Setenil de las Bodegas. Today we've come up to Setenil de Bodegas. We've left Estepona and today is going to be the first day of our new location where we're heading for Olvera. But for the moment we've just arrived, found some parking just off the road, and we're just going to go and take a walk down into Setenil. The one thing that's certainly a bit more noticeable is obviously for the last 10 days we've been down in Estepona right along the coast. Today we've been driving for an hour and a half and it's been pretty much constantly uphill. All of a sudden everybody's got jumpers and coats on. So whilst we're obviously a little bit more used to the colder temperatures than the locals, and the locals really do put the coats on at the tiniest bit of a chill, even we're feeling it a little bit. So it's not quite as warm as we used to. So we're expecting the next 4 days to be a little more chilly. So after walking around Gibraltar yesterday, our legs are a little bit sore and we're not quite as full of vim and vigour as we used to be. As the old adage goes, don't live your life hiding under a rock. This couldn't be further from the truth in Setenil de las Bodegas. Most of the Pueblos Blancos rely on being located on the top of a hill with scenic vistas. Setenil turns this completely on its head. The mountains are known for their massive temperature swings between summer and winter. Conversely, by building their houses into the rock, the houses benefit from a natural insulation holding a comfortable background temperature year-round. This place really is built into the hillside. Everything's on the vertical. The locations include two different kinds of dwellings. Firstly, the Cuevas del Sol, literally caves of the sun, where the houses sit under the rock but face the light, perfect for a sunny tapas lunch. Then there's the Cuevas de la Sombra, the caves of the shadow, where the rock completely encloses the street like a tunnel, keeping it cool and dark even in the middle of July. So, if you're looking for a place that truly rocks, pun intended, Setenil de las Bodegas is just it. Just watch your head. We were just hypothesising about how interesting it would be to drive around these little streets, because there's so many dead ends and turns which are just blocked off. You know, it might be like a 320-degree bend, so no idea how you work around these streets.